3 youngest Dogecoin millionaires with crazy lives. Dogecoin is a cryptocurrency created by the software engineers Billy Marcus and Jackson Palmer, who decided to create a payment system as a joke, making fun of the wild speculation in cryptocurrencies at the time. But in that fun, they created such a successful cryptocurrency that's turned people into millionaires, luckily. Dogecoin is one of the older coins in the market, but it was not as famous as Bitcoin or Ethereum until its recent success. There are many people who have been holding Dogecoin for a really long time. These are really smart investors out there. Some of these people are certainly millionaires by now, and some of them are quite young for the success they've achieved. In today's video, we'll be taking a look at the top Dogecoin millionaires. Without further ado, let's begin with the video. On number 1, we have our successful Dogecoin enthusiast. Well, he's known by many names. One of them is Dogecoin Millionaire. He posted a screenshot of his millionaire portfolio on Reddit, which went quickly viral, gaining over 70,000 upvotes. He has a YouTube channel as well by the name of the Dogecoin Millionaire. The first video he posted there was on February 5th, 2021. There he explained his investment strategy of purchasing over 5 million Dogecoin to the world. He didn't sell them for an entire year. He bought those 5 million Dogecoins 4 cents per coin, which meant his initial investment was around $2,000. He emptied his banks, sold all his stocks to buy Dogecoin. He was serious about it. A popular finance YouTuber, Andre Geek, took an interview with the Dogecoin Millionaires. Andre went to his house to see how the New Age Dogecoin millionaires really live. He lives in a humble apartment, which is completely packed with really interesting things. He has a bicycle strapped to the walls, hidden Pokemon collectibles, and even Funko Pops above his door. He showed Andre that every piece of furniture in his house is handmade by him, something he found on the side of the road. He even found a mattress on the side of the road. His expenses are bare minimum, and he lives this way to maximize how much money he saves from his job. He put everything he had into supporting his Doge dream, and yet he changed his life forever with this decision and nothing else. You have to respect the raw courage it takes to put your entire life savings in the hands of Dogecoin. A coin like Bitcoin and Ethereum has all the advantages of being taken seriously, but none of them have a mass market appeal like Dogecoin. And this is exactly why these Dogecoin millionaires made his crazy investment. He says he will not touch his investments until it's worth 10 million. That shows how much he believes in the power of Dogecoin. Number 2, Living with Lucy. Meet Lucy, a cryptocurrency and stock YouTuber. She's been documenting her journey with investments on her YouTube channel. Back then, her content was mainly about nutrition, fitness, but this changed quickly when she found a golden opportunity to invest in Dogecoin. On the 3rd of February 2021, she posted a video showing her investment portfolio. And you can believe she had 2 million Dogecoin. That is totally crazy. She bought them for an average of 0.024 each. And that's not it. She also had 700,000 coins in her cold wallet, which brings her total stock to 2.7 million Dogecoin. If you don't know about a cold wallet, it is a cryptocurrency wallet that's not connected to the internet. Unlike other online wallets, a cold wallet cannot be hacked. Access to a wallet simply does not exist on the internet. It's also called a hardware wallet or an offline wallet. A cold wallet stores the user's address and private key and works in conjunction with compatible software on the computer. A cold storage, a digital wallet is stored on a platform. It's not connected to the internet, thereby protecting the wallet from unauthorized access, cyber hacks, and other vulnerabilities to which a system that is connected to the internet may be susceptible. These are usually considered when the investor wants to hold their coins for a long period of time. This way they can save their coins safely and never have to worry about anything. There are many records of entire exchanges being hacked, resulting in a real loss for people. Investors had to face a loss of millions of dollars. If we use the average price per coin that she showed in her video, the initial investment was around $65,000. It's not a small investment by any means, but truly one of the best investments she ever made. Would you invest your money in something like that? Do let us know in the comments down below. In April 2021, Living with Lucy posted a video telling people that she is now a millionaire thanks to Dogecoin. Her stash of 2.7 million Dogecoin is now valued at 1.2 million. Number 3, the Jewish lad. Finally, we have the infamous Dogecoin Millionaire. There's so many social media users who are posting insane profits, and some of them have even become millionaires. One Reddit user named the Jewish lad posted a picture of his Dogecoin stash just 2 months ago, and he had incredible 23 million Dogecoin, which he bought for 0.002 each. He bought it at a much cheaper price than the other 2 investors bought it. These are some of the rare events when someone is incredibly lucky. He bought this investment in January 2020 and waited 1 full year before everything exploded upwards. His initial investment was just $45,000. If he sold it today, it would be worth $8.7 million. He actually sold his investments 7 cents for a coin that would have been worth over $1.6 million. And let us tell you that he is only 19 years old. He most likely is worth over $2 million by now, which is an incredible success for such a young age. With that said, that brings us to the end of today's video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more amazing content, and we will catch you in our next one.